Hi, my name is Richard, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about ZenCortex before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ZenCortex supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is ZenCortex and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. ZenCortex promotes 360-degree hearing support by improving blood flow to the auditory system, which helps to nourish and protect the delicate cells within the ear. It repairs the cells which are responsible for translating sound vibrations into electrical signals that are sent to the brain and thus help us in hearing. ZenCortex is the innovative hearing support formula, is designed to make a real difference in your life. The power of ZenCortex lies in its holistic approach. Unlike many other supplements on the market, it doesn't just provide temporary relief. Instead, it focuses on addressing the root cause of hearing issues. ZenCortex doesn't stop at your ears, it supports your brain's functions too. By boosting cognitive abilities and mental clarity, it helps you stay focused and alert throughout the day. This is not just about hearing but about enhancing your entire cognitive experience. Thousands of people have already had incredible results with ZenCortex. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with ZenCortex and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use ZenCortex 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.